In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Facebook profile link. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open Facebook apps on your iPhone or Android. Then here is home page. After that, tap on profile icon in this bottom right corner and then tap on your profile name, and here is a Facebook profile. After that, tap on three dot in this side and just swipe up, and here is two options: copy profile link or directly share from here. You can just tap on profile share, and here is suggestion, lots of contact here, or you can directly share to Messenger, WhatsApp, or copy link send to the group, etc. But I'm going to just copy this link and go back to WhatsApp uh, to share my profile, as you can see, and I'm going to share this link on here. Just send to this. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.